Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I have brought you one more Photoshop background change tutorial. So, let's get started. Pick up pen tool. It might be difficult, but the editing will be more perfect. We will start selecting from shoes. Select little bit from inside the layer so that the cutting will be perfect. Without wasting your time, we will make it quick. I am cutting video to last part of the pen tool. Here, we have selected our layer perfectly. Now, just right-click and select Make Selection. Click on the option Add Layer Mask. Go to Filters, then Camera Raw Filter. Adjust the highlights and shadows as you like. Click OK. Now, just drag and drop the layer into background. Resize it. Now, we will add blur to the background. Go to Filters, select Blur Gallery, and then select Tilt Shift. Add blur as per your convenience. Increase the option light box slightly so that the background will look like realistic blur, and click on DSLR. Now, the important step we are going to do is add shadow to object. Make a new empty layer. Select black color and follow my steps. Go to Camera Raw filter for best effect. Make changes as you like. Make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.